Some people like to pair their food with a beer. I'm gonna pair this home with a beer. Let's go inside and check it out. I'm Jeremy McHone with the Whissel Realty Group, and I'm here at 7906 Tinaja Lane in Paradise Hills, and I paired this home with Thorn Brewing's Treading Lightly IPA. When you buy a home in this community, you're not just buying a home, you're buying a lifestyle. And if you like the outdoors like I do, you're gonna enjoy the lifestyle that comes with this home, which includes access to private hiking trails, open spaces in a park-like setting, but also a community pool and gym. For more information, drop a comment below or give me a call at 619-971-0791.